In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent video characters across every scene in Hailuo AI. If you've ever had a character's face, outfit, or overall look change from shot to shot, this workflow will help you lock things in so your story feels seamless. We'll use two reference images, one to define the character at the start and one for the end, then guide the motion and details with a clear prompt. Follow along and you'll have a solid, repeatable setup. First, head to the Hailuo AI website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, open a new project by selecting Create Video. This brings you into the canvas where Hailuo AI will build your scene. Think of this space as your storyboard plus animation engine all in one place. Next, choose Start Frame. The start frame is your anchor. It tells Hailuo exactly how your character should look at the beginning. Pick a clean, well-lit image where the character's face is sharp and recognizable. Consistent lighting, hairstyle, and wardrobe here make a big difference later. When you've found the right image on your computer, select it and click Open. Aim for a clear composition where the character is front and center, with minimal motion blur or visual clutter. Now, choose End Frame. This defines how the same character should appear at the end of the generated shot. To keep continuity strong, match the style of the start frame as closely as possible. Similar outfit, similar lighting, and a compatible camera angle. Select the image and click Open. Using standard formats like JPG or PNG works great. If your story requires a slightly different pose or expression, that's fine. Just keep identity cues consistent so the model understands it's the same person. With both frames loaded, type your prompt. Be specific but concise. Describe what happens between the start and the end, the actions, mood, setting, and any camera movement. Reiterate key character traits that must remain the same: face shape, hair color and style, clothing details, and overall vibe. If the background or tone should stay steady across shots, say that here too. The clearer your intent, the more faithfully Hailuo will preserve identity while animating the transition. When you're ready, click Create. Hailuo AI will generate a scene that moves from your start frame to your end frame while maintaining a consistent character. Once it finishes, play it back and observe facial features, wardrobe, and continuity. That's the core process for keeping your character consistent across every scene in Hailuo AI.